This year is a very special one for EOS. EOS is turning 50.
I love working at EOS because it's an international company, it's a big company, and we grow in several international projects that we have to face.
All my colleagues are great experts. They have outstanding skills, wide knowledge and enormous experience in many branches.
As an employee, EOS allows me to learn on a daily basis and to support others and hopefully to make a difference with my work.
We make each other stronger, and that's what I say. If we have a new client and we have a challenge, then we can rely on the cross-border center or the colleagues around the globe. Together, it feels like a family, truly a family. We can achieve more.
There are so many people with different opinions and they express them, and together we can create a success. I wish EOS to be a pioneer in a debt collection process in the next 50 years.
EOS means for me a long story of success in the last 50 years, because on the one hand EOS has been able to grow regionally, and on the other hand also build up new areas of business like the secured business, and that has been made possible by all the great people that are working at EOS.
One thing that I like to work here is to grow up, because I am a young girl, and I think that EOS is the place that every young people can grow up.
Happy birthday, EOS!
Happy birthday, EOS!